Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aquarius, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Abbess of Stars in reverse, Completed World, and Seven of Stars in reverse. So Aquarius, in your circumstances, maybe in your career or maybe in your personal life situation, you have someone close to you. It may be your friend or a family member, the person you love, or your sibling. So this person has something important to tell you. This person is giving you some ideas, suggestions, what needs to be done. So you need to listen to them. Maybe it may be about your career or it may be about your relationship. So you need some help. Though you may have a lot of dreams for this love, you want a beautiful future with this person, you are planning something, you are wishing for this relationship, for this connection to work. So you may have a lot of plans, but if you want your plans to manifest today, maybe you must listen to what this person is telling you. Maybe this person you love, they have something important for you. It may be important guidance. You need to listen to this person, or it may be from some of your friend. It may be a common friend. So this person is giving you certain ideas or suggestions. So you must listen to what this person has to say, because they are truly concerned about you and they are wishing good things for you. So you need not follow their advice exactly, but at least you can find out what they are wishing to tell you today. And maybe you are not listening to this person because you feel that you are the one doing things the right way. And you are confident about yourself. You are extremely confident about yourself. And you feel that there is no one talented like you. But you need to, you need to be really careful, cautious, because your attitude may be the reason for troubles today. You must be really humble. Though you may have a lot of skills and talents, you may be a very experienced person, but still, when it comes to matters of your heart, this relationship, it is concerning two people. So you must find out what this person wants to tell you and what is the reason for troubles in this love, and whether you can make those changes, whatever needs to be done from your side. So you must think deeply within yourself about what needs to be done today, And if you are doing it, you are going to see beautiful changes today for you, Aquarius. There is a chance of happiness, contentment, emotional satisfaction, sense of completion today. So there is a great change, great transformation happening in you. All you need to do is let it happen. That is the energy here. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Four of Moons. So maybe in this love, you are you feel that you are unable to do anything or make any changes or see any difference. You are quite tired or stressed. It may be your energy or your person's energy, but just like I said, if you are able to change yourself, if you are able to listen to them, you can see huge changes in your life today, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career. We have Death in reverse. So in your work situation, you may see some delays, something may not work as you had hoped for. So this may not be the right time for big decisions. You need to wait a little longer till time is right, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Kyanite. It's a crystal spirit card. So with this card, the energy is that maybe we may feel that we are the ones with the best ideas or best solution in any situation. But this crystal is here to remind us that we need to be a better person today. We need to be really diplomatic. Try to connect with another person in a very mutual way, in a loving way. So there is a reason for you to be with this person right now. So this crystal just asks us to connect with the other person, honor their views and ideas, just like you wish for that person to honor your views and ideas, and learn to be very much diplomatic. So instead of trying to sway this other person's decision with logic, we can try it out with love. Reach out to them with love and try to find harmony in our relationship. And there is a reason you have attracted this person towards you. And maybe if you feel that you are the one doing all the emotional work and this person is not being responsible, this crystal also gives that energy that you can end that relationship. You can say no. If you feel that you have done so much but still there is no way you can find that balance in this relationship, so it is okay to say no. It is your choice to free yourself from conflict. So this crystal spirit just asks us to be better, to be diplomatic. Try to do your best in any relationship. Try to find that harmony and balance, And meditating with this crystal just clears, detoxes all our chakra points and brings harmony uh, in our situation. And it is a crystal that promotes diplomacy. So being really friendly and respecting the other person, just like you wish for everyone to respect you. So we must have that energy today. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So with this card for y'all today, maybe we need to let go of all our expectations in our life today, in our relationship. Maybe what is meant to be ours will never be withheld from us. So miracles are right here and it will show up at the right time. And love, the same way, love will be right on time. So just like our physical body that has a particular cycle, a particular productive cycle, everything has its season, and love is divine, and at that appropriate timing everything will unfold as it should. And remember that you always have time for love, to find it, to nurture it, to give and receive love. And this clock is eternal, just like the beating of the heart. So whatever is the most apt relationship, whatever connection is most suitable for you, it will come at that right time. And love is always on time. So you can just relax, give up your anxiety, and divine appropriate timing is working in your relationship, and you can relax. That is the energy here with this card. So you may have some worries thinking about this love, why situation is going in a particular way, and what is the reason you are not yet engaged, or you are not stepping up into a committed relationship yet, or you are not finding the person you love. You need to understand that at that divine appropriate timing, everything will fall into place. You can just relax and have that trust in your situation. So that is the energy here with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.